Hello, I'm Jason Ortega, and in today's video, I will tell you a little about when did their change or evolution. Each one is understood according to the region's culture and custom and your text. Intercultural project exploring cultural rituals. Generally, a wedding is a rite that formalizes the union between two people before an external authority that regulates the producers, which generates contractual commitments or legal obligations. There are many traditions that arise in what should be done at each stage of the wedding, from its organization, the dress, the celebration until the trip of the bride and groom of honeymoon. Today are changing many of their customs, following only some of them, such as something old, something new, something borrowed, something used, something blue the dance of the blue the colors of the birds. Dress which is white, the basket of flowers. So essential nuptial has the white dress become that now when a bride decides to get married, wearing another colors. She is considered darning and rebellious. The wedding cakes of yesteryear were multi-tided and held together by wooden base. We cannot forget the official photo of the groomsmen and bridesmaids. Today, the children who carries the rings are paint replaced by the brides and groomsmen. The ceremonies can be held in a more relaxed place. Here is a short invited by a relative, an uncle on my mother's side who got married and became part of the rituals and its custom. His name is Tito Calambas. He is my uncle. When and where was he born? He was born in Pendamo, Cauca on Jan 20, 1962. In what celebration did he participate when he was a child? Well, in many in festival of flowers, baptisms, confirmations, weddings. In what celebration did you participate as an adult? Family reunions, some weddings, birthdays. Um, Describe one of these unforgettable celebrations. Well, all of them are and will be unique, but the one I remember the most was my marriage. That celebration with my wife 36 years ago. I remember my wife a white dress, me in a great suit. The page boys, my parents happy because the last of their children was getting married. The party at home at the end of the ceremony. Do you think is it important to celebrate rituals? Rituals mark some of the most important moments in our life, from the personal such as birthdays or weddings to celebrations such as Christmas days and religion holidays. The more important the moment, the more elaborate the rituals. Names and new events that is memorable. It's all the days that in Piendamo the Virgin apparent to a little girl on May 14, 1971. I was about 9 or 10 years. All she is now as the little girl Dorita. My parents are very Catholic and they used to take my and for that day many people from all over the world came to see. Thank you.